Ray, and this is my vegetable garden. And this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some flowers and some DIY projects. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe. That'd be great. Today we're going to talk about Hugelkultur, and we've got this old pallet. There's a bit of an old crate, and we're going to fill it up. But this is quite a big space. It's going to cost a bit of money just to fill it up with compost. So we're using the Hugelkultur method, and this is going to fill it up. So this bed is about 10 foot long and 2 foot wide. It's going to be quite expensive to fill it up with compost, so we're going to do the Hugelkultur method. So the Hugelkultur method is a way of laying old wood with branches on top, compost, soil and all sorts of different biomass. So today we're going to fill this up using bits around the allotment. So let's go. So Hugelkultur is a German word for hill culture or mound culture, and it's a way of growing fruit and vegetables on mounds with logs and twigs and a mound of earth over the top. So Hugelkultur dates back hundreds of years, and it's a way of making compost from biomass products not normally thrown in the composters. So we're going to fill up the bottom with these old fence panels. One that will give the bottom a bit more strength, and it will also rot down wooden panels. So first of all, we put in some old fence panels, and now we've got some old rotten wood. This is going to go in the bottom too. This can rot down. Okay. Then we've got some old logs, and these are going to go on top. Filling it up. So we've got some newer wood at the bottom and then some logs on top, and now we're going to get some leaves. So next to go in is a layer of leaves. Now we can see we're filling it up quite nicely. And these will break down. So next we have another pile of leaves, and they're going to go on top. These are a bit wetter, so I'm just going to spread those along the top. Like so. So next we're going to add a layer of rabbit shavings, just because I've got them here and I'm going to use them up. So they can go on top. Going to go on top. So next to go in is my runner bean plants. These have just come out of the ground, and we're going to stick these in. So the next level is going to be some cardboard, and just going to remove the sellotape off the cardboard, and we're going to spread that along the top, covering up over the top of the beans, just in case any of the beans want to re-sprout. And we've got some old egg cartons too. And then finally cardboard on top of that. So we're getting quite full now. cardboard. There we go. That's the cardboard all done. So we're just going to give the cardboard a bit of a soak, just to dampen it down. Then we can add our soil on top. This is just normal soil. It's come out my compost. Check out a few weeds. And that's the first layer. We can add some more, and then we come back and we'll add some compost on the top level. So we wait for that to settle. We can add a bit more to the top. So there we go, a bit more to go on top, but then that's our pallet bed. Hugelkultur, all done. So here we have a filled up bed ready for the strawberries to go in when they're ready. So very pleased with this, and will take a few years to rot down, but we will top it up again with some compost on top, as when the levels drop it's going to fill in the holes. So yeah, good job done, and we look forward to having the strawberries next year in the raised bed.